there, Lariane with Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. Today's soap is the second of 3 soaps that I'm making inspired by vintage romance, floral, shabby chic, whatever you would like to call it. The base of today's soap will be all one color, dark blue, or kind of a navy, and I made the dark blue by adding 3 parts of the cashmere blue with 1 part of the black oxide. I added that along with kaolin clay to the oils before I added the lye water solution. The fragrance oils that I chose for this soap are white tea and ginger with a touch of rose. And here are the soap embeds or canes that I will be using. I made the white polka dots out of soap dough, and I had a mold to make the flowers. I poured in a couple different colors of pink to get that swirl effect. And now I'm just going to place the canes at random into the soap base. Easy peasy. I did wait a few minutes for the soap to thicken up. That way the embeds won't all sink to the bottom of the soap. And I do spray all embeds with a little bit of 99% isopropyl alcohol. I don't know, I just feel like it helps everything meld together. Well, if it isn't time to see what's on my embed tray. Look, I have some pretty roses, some little pink soap dough flowers, as well as some pearls made with soap dough. Let me show you very quickly how I made these. Won't you come up and see my mandatory motion sickness inducing shaky shot sometime? 3 days later, let's cut this soap. Trying to be very careful not to cut the roses on top. There's a couple little holes in there. I will fill those in with the soap ends that I cut off. I really, really love the way this soap turned out. Those pearls on top look so pretty. Yay! Love it. That does it for this soap. I do have one more soap in this series, and I hope that you will join me for that one. But until then, as always and forever, thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. Take care. Bye-bye.